everybody. Welcome back to another episode from Scrapyard Rescue. As you can see behind me here is the Fairlane, and today we are taking it out for its first official drive down the highway. It's about, gas station's about 3 miles from here. I'm going to run it down, put some gas in it, bring it back. Hopefully everything's going to work out. I got some exhaust put on it today. It's not the best setup, but it works, and it'll be okay until I can get it into the exhaust shop and have them do a proper exhaust. But we're going to do that. I'm going to try to figure out some way to do some of the video in the car. I don't know how that's going to work, so you know, if you're watching the video later and all of a sudden you see the roof of the car or the floor or something, you'll know what happened. So, but before we get started, I'd appreciate it if you guys that haven't subscribed to the channel would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and a thumbs up and comments would always be appreciated. So we're going to go ahead and get going. Hopefully I can get some stuff going down the road. I don't know, but we'll see. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, here we go. It's gonna be rough the first little bit going down this road. I gotta go about a mile down. Uh-oh, it quit. There we go. They said it's gonna be bumpy. Hang with me. Gotta open the gate. We got a little issue right away here. I got to run up and get some more duct tape. I don't have a trunk lock yet. I ordered one from Parks Geek and they sent me a door lock, so that's real good. So I started checking around, and every place that sells what they call a trunk lock, it's all the same part and it's a door lock. So Rock Auto, all of them. So I found one on eBay that is the correct lock, and it should be here not till Saturday, but the trunk keeps popping open. I got to run up, get some duct tape so I can hold that thing down. Okay, here we go. So far so good. This road's really rough though, so I got to take it real easy. seem to be okay. Front end's not lined up very well. I can tell that. I had some issues with that putting it together, and apparently I don't have it quite right. But that's probably a job I'm going to have to take to the tire shop and have them align it. I looked at the manual and it's pretty complicated to line up these older cars. They got a lot of stuff you're supposed to do, and shims and special tools and braces and brackets and all spacers, all kinds of weird stuff. When I get up here on the blacktop, we'll see if it straightens out a little bit. And apparently the speedometer's not working. It's riding pretty good. It is rough, but I don't have any door seals in anything yet, so I'm thinking the doors are bouncing pretty good here. Pulling pretty bad to the left. I don't know if you can hear all that noise. That's just from these roads. These are wagon trails. They're not even roads anymore. They're county roads, but they won't maintain them. I got all brand new suspension on this thing, new shocks, everything's brand new. I kind of thought it would ride a little bit better than this, but we're almost to the blacktop, so we'll see what's going on here. And of course, like I thought, the camera's bouncing all over hell. Alright, here we go. We're on pavement. but the third is in the middle. Yeah, we've got no speedometer. But I think I'm going pretty fast. I'm going at least 50 here. The motor sounds good. Staying down, that's good. Yeah, I definitely got to realign this. Get the front end aligned. This place in town says they'll do these alignments. It said it's 90 bucks. I don't know if that includes this car or not. We're on the highway. 35 years sitting in a field, boys, and it's on the highway again. And we're hauling butt. Yeehaw! Man, that 289 is just roaring. Shifted through the gears the way it should, but I think I know what that problem is. Now I just remembered it. I haven't got under there to fix it. There's a vacuum valve down on the transmission, and the hose, the vacuum line on it is missing. And I just, every time I go under there, I forget about it. I think that's why it's not wanting to shift gears. Get a tachometer too I want to put in it. It doesn't seem like it's over revving. It does have just a glass back muffler, so it's not, super quiet, but I don't really want it quiet. Another thing I haven't got on it yet either. I forgot about that too. I haven't got the sway bar put back on. I gotta weld those brackets on, so I gotta wait until I can get it welded. That might be having something to do with the steering too. Probably a little bit of the roughness I can feel in the front end. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Well, it didn't work, guys. The frickin' frost plug popped. I've been having serious problems with these frost plugs on this car I bought 3 sets of new ones. None of them fit. They fall right in the engine. This one that just blew is it's one of those pressure, those kind of plugs you put in PVC pipe and screw them on. So now I'm screwed. Damn it, 3 miles from home. I'm not going to be able to put that thing back in. It's going to be too hot. I'm going to have to let this cool down for an hour or so. But I'm going to walk back and see if I can find that plug and stuff. So we'll just continue on here in a bit. Okay, fellas, here's the problem. Right here. I tried using these to fix the frost plugs, and apparently they're not going to work. So what we got right now is we blew that plug out, and all the radiator stuff flushed out. So I got to wait for my wife to get down here and bring me some water, and I gotta have her. I'm having her bring me a jack down so I can jack this up and get under there. I'm going to try to put that plug back in and just nurse this home. And then I'm going to have to do what I did with the other frost plug. I had 2 of these in here, and they weren't. The other one kept blowing out too. And what I did is I cleaned that hole out and cleaned up the one of the frost plugs, and then I covered it with JB Weld and pushed it back up in the hole. I know that's probably not a good thing to do, but I don't know what else the guy's supposed to do. You know, you can't pull the engine out and try to, I don't know what you're supposed to do. But that one seems to be holding it. Now it's this other one that blew again. So when I get it back home, I'll have to get it up, and that's what I'll do is I'll pull this thing back out, clean the hole up, put one in, and just put a new frost plug in it and JB Weld the damn thing. But here it is. It's maiden voyage down the highway, and it's stuck. So we'll continue on when my wife gets here and I get this plug back in, and we'll just go from there. All right, guys, we made it back home with the car. We had to tow it home the last mile. I'm not sure what's going on with the cooling system. When I was waiting for my wife to show up with the straps to tow it the rest of the way home, I could hear the water boiling in the engine block, but the radiator wasn't hot. It was warm, but it wasn't overheated hot. I could touch my hands on it. So now I'm thinking that either the thermostat is stuck or the water pump itself is shot. But earlier when I ran the engine here in the yard with the radiator cap off, I can see the coolant flowing through the radiator like it's supposed to. So at those times it must have been okay. Apparently maybe today it just decided was going to be the day it went to crap, but kind of, that's how Murphy's Law is. You take it out for a maiden voyage, and everything that goes wrong is going to go wrong. But anyways, we got it home. It's okay. I'll get at that cooling system. When I was towing it this last bit home, without the engine running and stuff, I could hear some scraping in the back. So I think the brakes need to be tuned a little bit. And I got to straighten up the front end a little bit, and then we'll start over and stuff. So anyways, we're going to go ahead. We got it home. It is what it is, I guess, So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. And I want to thank everybody for watching. And if you guys that haven't subscribed, if you would please hit that subscribe button. It'll really help me out. And otherwise, we will just see you on the next video. And thank you for watching.